guys, palabas na tayo. Yung susundo sa atin. Ayun. Nako. Ay, panalo. Adrian. And guys, nagpapakabit na tayo ng eSIM. $3. Unlimited na ang data. Beeline, ang pinakabit natin na SIM card, unlimited, eSIM siya.
So guys, ayan po, binisita lang namin ang kanyang
Coffee shop.
coffee
This
shop.
is travel ko. You need to...
Pork.
Yeah.
And we'll put all the bags right there.
Yan guys, first day natin sa Kyrgyzstan. Kasama natin si Alistair.
Hi.
Off-road Kyrgyzstan.
Welcome to Kyrgyzstan, guys. I can put on the AC if you want.
No, it's okay.
It's okay. Yeah? Today is a little bit chilly. Yeah?
And guys, nagpapalit tayo ng song.
Pag may dollar pa ng ganito, guys, pag may dollar pa ng ganito, huwag nyo ayaw tanggapin.
Ah,
Bakit daw? Paano yan? Papalit mo na lang ulit sa Dubai. Ito, nagpapalit tayo ng $100. So,
$100, yes.
I think we have 1,000, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 800.
85,
8,500.
87.
No, 50, 70, 90.
Ay!
Yeah. But it's also from them. Yes, this one is the grain, sour milk, and this is the water. And the mix you can just mix it.
Okay, let's three different first. 1-1.
1 liter, 1 liter.
Yeah,
Yeah.
they just
You need to mix it.
And guys, itikman na natin yung national drink sa Kyrgyzstan. This one?
Yeah. Yeah.
Milk?
Be careful, yeah. This one is sour.
Sour?
Yeah, try. This one is sour.
Okay, now.
Ah, it's good.
Yeah, you like it?
Sour.
You can also mix it now.
Like laban up.
Laban up.
Pero ang tapang. Parang laban ako tapang.
The other one? The other one.
What's this? It's grain.
It's going to...
This one is grain. You want this?
Tastes like beer, the other one.
The brown one.
Give me one.
And you can mix it now, right?
Ah, mix now, mix.
It's gonna be very good. Mix. Yeah, it's very, I mean, not specific sometimes. Because
It's
you're
nice, the
also
white one is nice.
First time trying.
No, I love the
But sometimes
green one.
Yeah, you got it. Right there, it's more chill.
Papasok pa tayo ng Al Archa.
45 degrees weather today.
Yeah, it's very. Here, even yesterday, it was very hot. Like last week's are.
Al Archa na tayo, guys.
There are lakes. There is good. But it's safe. not so big.
That's the one, the marmot.
Here, like we are able to see the squirrel. It's right there. So, vultures and the
The small one, sparrow.
you have something you can even feed them.
Hey guys, inulan na kami.
Okay, hindi ko na.
Ang lamig. Tapos umulan. Ano to? Mga robot to, hindi tinatabla ng ulan.
50 ba na nakain natin?
This is your one.
And guys, titignan natin yung Rumaragasang River.
You can come here probably.
Hello guys!
Mga boss!
Mga boss! Yan, nakapayang na sila. Nagsisiksikan na sila kay Alistair.
Ito tayo lahat. Ito tayo lahat, guys.
Oh.
Hi guys!
Hello!
Maulan!
Maulan na Alarcha. Wala pa tayong kain yan, mamaya.
Lagot sila sa atin. Lagot sila. Kanin please. Parang overload na ako.
Ayan yung tubig, no? Dito talaga galing yan. Yan guys, magigib tayo ng fresh, natural water. Yan, galing daw yan sa bundok, sa glaciers.
Naami ba dito?
Hindi, ano ka ba? Full of minerals daw yan. And guys, kakain na tayo finally. Masaya ba kayo guys?
Gutom na.
Kakain tayo after nating mag-hike sa Alarcha. Dito tayo sa famous restaurant na Nabat. Extra rice please. Dito na tayo sa Nabat. May party pala eh.
Yeah, inside is like for
kumain.
So what is that?
Ngayon na siguro, kasi uli ako nakain ng beer.
Sarap ba? Cheers na lang.
More travel para sa lahat.
Ayan na guys, ang ating mga pagkain.
Soy sauce.
Soy sauce.
This Kyrgyzstani food.
Previously, I've had a lot of Filipino guests when they ask about the soy sauce. Always.
Ano naman masasabi niyo dyan sa dinner niyo?
Yung kabayo mo sa akin.
Ay, hindi ko pa tinikman.
Malamig sa bunganga.
If you need this
Which
stick,
one?
you can ask for stick.
What's chopsticks. Is it good?
Patingin naman ng kabayo.
So this one is beef?
May noodles na yung kabayo?
Yeah, it's a noodle.
Nahalo ata yung sabaw eh.
Noodles ba siya? Tapos may sabaw
No.
din to?
So we should put this in the soup or what? We can pour this.
Can I have some? Thank you, bro. Let's eat. Sa hotel, ayan ang view.
Grocery na tayo guys. Grocery sa Kyrgyzstan.
Kalabasa.
Unfortunately, here it's very difficult to find it.
We just need the disposable cups.
We can also take some else.
And guys, ang daming gustong bilhin dito sa grocery sa Kyrgyzstan. Horse meat. Where is it?
There are different types, but this one is
Condense sa akin. Condense sa akin.
Hindi, gusto kong tikman natin yung cheese. May condensed na tayo.
Okay.
So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. May
Pero mo.
lahat din like 7 pasok.
Ikaw ang accountant, pag-iisipin pa kami, kaya nga sinama ka namin to rin.
Hindi. Oo. Hindi ko masarap yung condensed. Hindi ko natin.
Finally guys, nakarating tayo sa ating hotel. Losman Hotel. And guys, pasok na tayo sa ating room. Naku, pwede mabuksan nyo sa inyo.
Okay na, isa lang.
Ito na yung room namin. Maganda nga.
Kaya ano na lang, bukas para diretso na lang tayo dito. Ito na lang.
Ito ang rooms nila. Wow. Nice. Ito ang ating room. Yan ang ating bathroom.
Your beautiful smile